Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at part 2 of our physics skills math review. In part 2, we are looking at angle relationships. Please remember to pause or rewind the video as necessary. Let's begin. Question 2. Solve the following geometric problems. Part A. Line B touches the circle at a single point. Line A extends through the center of the circle. What is line B in reference to the circle? Well, line B touches the circle in only one spot, and that's right there. Line B is referred to as a tangent line. Tangent lines only touch a curve at one spot. If you had a line that passed through two different spots, that would be called a secant line. How large is the angle right here between line A coming through the center of the circle and line B, the tangent to the circle? Well, that's 90 degrees. Those two lines are perpendicular to each other. Letter B. We have a triangle that has a 30-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, and an unknown angle C. What is the measure of angle C? Well, all three angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So if we add those two up right here, those two add up to 75 degrees. And if we take that away from the total of 180, C must be 105 degrees. This symbol right here is the Greek letter theta. And theta is an angle, it's a variable that stands for an angle measurement. Okay, so we're trying to find this angle right here. Well, we know that this angle plus this angle, the whole thing, has to be 180 degrees. Therefore, if this is 30 here, this would be 180 minus 30, or 150 degrees right here. And since theta is a corresponding angle to this 150, theta must be 150 as well. Now we have an inclined plane right here. And we want to figure out what is this measure of angle theta here. Well, we could probably see this a couple other ways if we perhaps redraw this. This time what I'm going to do, I have this arrow coming from the top. Instead, I'm not going to draw this from the box itself, in the middle of the box. I'm going to draw from the bottom of the box. It might be easier to see it. There we go. So we know that this is a 30-degree angle. We know this right here is perpendicular, and we know all three of those angles there must add up to 180. So if that's 30, this angle must be 60 right here. And since this whole angle is 90 degrees, because this is perpendicular to that inclined plane, then that means that this little sliver of angle right here is also 30 degrees.